Ginger. 5 proven health benefits and how to use it correctly. Did you know ginger is more than just a fragrant root? In this video, I'll explain 5 scientifically backed benefits of ginger and how to consume it the right way to maximize its properties. 1. Natural anti-inflammatory. Thanks to active compounds like gingerol, ginger helps reduce inflammation in the body. It's ideal for people with joint pain or digestive issues. 2. Aids digestion. Taking ginger before or after meals can help relieve nausea, gas, and heavy digestion. 3. Boost the immune system. It contains antioxidants that strengthen your natural defenses, perfect for preventing colds and flu. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies show ginger may help control glucose levels, which is especially helpful for people with insulin resistance. 5. Relieves menstrual pain. Ginger tea can help reduce menstrual cramps due to its natural analgesic properties. How to consume it properly. As tea. Boil water with grated fresh ginger. Add lemon or honey to enhance the effect. In natural juices, blend a small piece into fruit or green juices. Grate it into meals. Use it as a seasoning in rice, sautéed vegetables, or soups. Precaution. Avoid overuse if you have low blood pressure or are on anticoagulants. Always consult your doctor if in doubt. Final note, if you found this information helpful, subscribe for more content on health, natural remedies, and conscious nutrition. See you in the next video.